Alright, good morning. I have moved to the other end of my little workbench here in the house, and I'm going to try and do something about... Perfect. Alright. This loose flywheel. This flywheel came in entirely loose here, so I'm just going to pop off the starter, which has 2 set screws that apparently need to be way looser than that. I wonder if there's a... There's no notch, they were just tightened down really far. Okay. And then that set screw must still be tight. A little bit. There we go. That other flywheel was really oily, and you can see there's a ton of gunk from under where that flywheel was spinning and got oil under it. So I'm going to wipe that off. And then while it's wiped off, I'll put a little dab of loctite on there, and I'm not having any luck pushing that back in place. Oops. Oh. That's what we get for having not the greatest plan, or rather not always the greatest tools. I don't have a press or anything to do this. Oh, it is going very slowly. All right. There it goes. Just that little tap was enough to get it to go on there. Now, it's back all the way in place. You can see for regular assembly, they have a hole in this inner flywheel part, so they can just put these set screws in and then press the outer band on the flywheel afterward. Because as we learned when I dropped the other engine, the outer band of the flywheel is just press fit onto that inner hub. So, alright. Between the Loctite and retightening these, that should hold, and then this engine is going to run a lot better if that flywheel is fastened properly, because alright. Then put the starter hub back on there. And that should be good to go. It is nice they've got 2 grub screws on these things. There we go. That is done.